Dear students, today we'll see the next topic in applications of electronic engineering, and the topic for the day will be headphones. So we'll see what is a headphone, what are the features of headphone, how does it work, and the types of headphones. So here if you see, a topic is headphone, where headphone is like a small speaker which has to convert electrical energy into sound energy. Now, if you see the basic definition, headphones work the same as speakers and the opposite of microphones, because headphones are going to convert electric energy to sound energy, whereas microphones will convert sound energy to electrical energy. So it is opposite of microphone. So it is same like your loudspeakers but in a smaller version. That's to say they essentially turn electrical energy into sound by using magnets to vibrate the air, which creates sound. Okay, so it has to have a coil, it has to have a magnetic field, the electrical current or the electrical signal should be given to the coil, and the coil's electromagnet has to interact with the permanent magnet, and in that interaction there will be a vibration which will be connected to our diaphragm, and because of which a sound is created. That is what the basic working or definition of headphone will be. So if you see the diagram here, now here you can see at the input there are sound waves what we are going to give in electrical form. So these are the sound waves what come in electrical form. So these are electrical waves, electrical energy what is going to go here inside. Okay, now inside you are having a magnet which is a permanent magnet, and there is a coil, okay, now this electrical energy is given to the coil, where the current passing through the coil will produce a electromagnetic field around the coil. That field will interact with the field of this permanent magnet, and in that interaction the coil starts vibrating, means it starts aligning itself, and that coil is connected to a diaphragm which will vibrate, and that will produce the sound waves as shown here, and that sound waves will be placed near the ear of the listener. This is what the basic principle of headphones work with. Now headphones can be of moving iron type, headphones can be of a dynamic type, headphones can be of electrostatic headphones, or they can be a crystal type of headphones where you are going to use piezoelectric type of principle. So there can be 4 or 5 principles in that, by which you are going to convert your electrical waves into sound waves, electrical signal into sound signal, or electrical energy into sound energy. Okay, now here if you see the definition and the explanation for basic headphones, headphones are a pair of small loudspeaker drivers on or around the head over a user's ear. They are electroacoustic. Electroacoustic means electric energy is converted to sound energy. That is called as electroacoustic. They are electroacoustic transducers which convert an electrical signal to a corresponding sound. Headphones let a single user listen to an audio source privately. This is the specialty of headphone, that it is going to give the sound signal to a single user privately, not like a loudspeaker which emits sound into open air for anyone nearby to hear. So the difference between loudspeaker and headphone is that headphone is used with a single user, whereas loudspeaker can be heard by all the people nearby to it. Headphones are also known as ear speakers, earphones, or colloquially cans. Okay, so these are some names of headphones. Now special features of headphones are, the first one is noise cancelling. Now noise cancelling means what? The headphones are designed to prevent from hearing ambient noise. So the listener will not hear ambient noise. He will hear only the wanted, desired noise. So ambient noise will not be heard by the user, and this property is called as noise cancelling. The second feature is wireless, where a headphone can be connected in a wireless terminology using infrared system or Bluetooth wireless, where there is no wire connected between the system which is going to produce the electrical waves and the headphone which are around the air or in the air or placed near the air. The third feature is microphone. So nowadays you have headphones with built-in mic which will allow you to listen to music, and also the microphone built in that will allow you to answer your phone calls. So they come along with microphones. Fourth is volume limiting. The ability to keep the volume at safe levels, because the listener has to have a comfort of listening. So the ability to keep the volume at safe levels is a feature of a headphone. Then fifth one is bone conduction. This feature comes only in the bone type of headphones. The bone conduction is a principle where the headphone sits on the cheek bones, usually in front of your ear. They work by bypassing your eardrum to deliver sound straight to your inner ear via vibrations. Particularly, it is useful for people who want to hear their music clearly but don't want to drown out background noise. Okay, so these are a type of headphones actually, but that can be a feature where it is called as bone conduction. Then if you go to see, there are 5 distinct designs that we can differentiate. The first one is over-ear design. The second one is on-ear design. The third one is in-ear, which are also called as earbuds. And the fourth one is earphones. And the fifth one is bone conduction. So we'll see this one by one. Over-ear headphones look like this, where you are having the 2 cups, and the 2 cups will be sitting on the air, over the air of a human being. So it is called as over-ear headphones. So the picture shows that these are the headphones, and this part is on the over air. This will go on the air, and this will also sit on the air. Okay, so these are called as over-ear headphones. They are the biggest in size and probably the first idea that comes to your mind when you think about headphones. So headphones, we always think that something we are keeping over air. The reason they are called over air is because the air cups are big enough to cover your whole ear all around. Or consequently, they are also called around the ear headphones or circumaural. So the name circumaural means around the ear headphones. Okay, so these are the first type which are called as over ear. The second one is on ear headphones. So you can see this 2 sides which you are going to put on the ear. This will be on the ear, and this also will be on the ear. So each one will be on each ear, which is called as on ear headphones. These are the go-to option for portable headphones, also called as supraaural headphones. You can see them worn by people on the streets or commute, and even in the hot, sweaty gyms. They're smaller size than the air cups, and weight make them easier to take with you. And if you pick the right model, you can get a cool status symbol item that looks and sounds great. Then we'll go to the third one, in-ear headphone, which is also known as earbuds or in-ear monitors. So these are the earbuds which will go inside the ear. Means the smallest headphones often referred to as earbuds or buds. That's technically not the real name. the proper name for in-ear headphones is in-ear monitors. But since most of the people know them as earbuds, we call them the same. It's easier for people to find what they are looking for. The reason why in-ear headphones are called that is because part of them goes inside your ears. Usually the tube goes inside your ear canal to get the source of the music as close to your eardrums as possible. It helps with noise isolation and sound quality. You can find them in wired and wireless options. The true wireless earbuds are especially popular today. Then we'll go to the next type, which are classic earbuds or earphones. You can see a picture of the classic earbuds. So earphones or classic earbuds are the first version of small buds that came with the popular Walkmans or iPods in the beginning. They are the classic earbuds that don't go inside your ear but rest at the entrance. These are one of the older types of headphones. Then we'll go to the last type, which is the bone conduction headphones. Now in bone or conduction headphones, it is not going to go onto the air, but it is going to transmit the sound through the bone conduction. This is relatively a new style of headphone and has limited use, but it's getting more popular. The main difference is bone conduction technology. While other headphones all transfer sound into your ears, bone conduction headphones use your bones. They connect to your skull and through vibrations send music to your eardrums. The sound quality is not fantastic but more than satisfactory. They have got really popular as workout headphones due to remarkable fit and water resistance. Thank you, students.